After a Sweet 16 ceremony, Reyna Clifton, the mother of the birthday girl, is found severely injured at the bottom of the grand staircase of the Regal Phoenix Resort and Spa. The Clifton family blames the resort for Reyna's fall and sues for negligence. Daniel Mendoza and his firm are called in to defend the lawsuit. But when Miss Clifton is found dead in her hospital room, Daniel's suspicions arise. With the help of his legal team and the private investigator, Daniel is determined to find out what really happened to Miss Clifton. But who would have wanted to murder her? And is there some other foul play involved? Scottsdale, Arizona. Present day. Mija, this is your special day, but you don't have to be rude. Your tia is just trying to help. I taught you better than that. Now apologize. The stern female voice pierced the room, dominating every other boisterous sound. Everyone in the cramped dressing room stopped and glanced up, taking heed of what Miss Clifton would say or do next. Reyna Clifton was known to be a strong disciplinarian, given her parents' upbringing on the East Coast. Her parents hailed from New York, like their parents before them. The family grew up there before they moved to the Midwest when their kids were infants. Although they no longer lived in Spanish Harlem, Reyna's parents raised her and her sister the same way. Despite the hectic atmosphere in the dressing room, Reyna, like her Puerto Rican parents, always demanded civility, especially from her children. Alejandra, Reyna's oldest child, knew that. When Alejandra instinctively twirled around in angst to unconsciously direct a piercing glare at her mother, she quickly stopped herself, such that her floor-length, periwinkle blue dress suddenly jerked back. The diamond-studded silver tiara on her head unexpectedly began to slip. Before it fell off, the nimble Tia Esperanza stood next to her, holding it in place. Alejandra's eyes slightly welled up. She knew what was coming and didn't want a verbal lashing from her mother before her Sweet 16 ceremony. This would embarrass her, especially in front of all of her girlfriends and female cousins who were her damas. She braced herself. Reyna, it's nothing. She's just nervous, that's all. Esperanza straightened the askew tiara. There. That's better.